Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One, choose the correct verb form. She, to the market every Sunday. A, go. B, goes. Two, identify the correct pronoun. Is going to the party tonight? A, who. B, whom. Three, select the correct auxiliary verb. They, been waiting for an hour. A, has. B, have. Four, pick the correct plural form. There are several. In the basket. A, apple. B, apples. Five, choose the correct past tense. Yesterday, he. To the store. A, goes. B, went. Six, identify the correct subject pronoun. Is the best player on the team. A, he. B, him. Seven, select the correct possessive form. This is book. A, her. B, hers. Eight, choose the correct verb tense. They, playing soccer now. A, is. B, are. Nine, pick the correct form of to be. I, tired after the long walk. A, am. B, is. Ten, select the correct article. I saw elephant at the zoo. A, B, an. Eleven, identify the correct possessive adjective. Car is very fast. A, there. B, theirs. Twelve, choose the correct verb. She, reading a book. A, is. B, are. 13. Pick the correct plural form. The are flying south for the winter. A. Bird. B. Birds. Select the correct form of to have. We. A great time at the party. A. Has. B. Had. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is the table. A. On. B. In. Identify the correct pronoun. Can you give this to A. She. B. Her. Select the correct verb tense. He. His homework before dinner. A. Did. B. Do. Choose the correct verb form. They. To the movies on Fridays. A. Goes. B. Go. Pick the correct plural form. She has two. A. Child. B. Children. Select the correct form of to be. You. Very kind. A. Are. B. Is. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. She. Not like spinach. A. Do. B. Does. Identify the correct article. He is. Engineer. A. B. An. Select the correct possessive adjective. This is. House. A. Our. B. Ours. Choose the correct verb tense. They. To Paris last summer. A. Went. B. Go. Pick the correct plural form. There are many. In the library. A. Book. B. Books. (26) Identify the correct pronoun. It was. Who called you? A. Me. B. I. (27) Select the correct form of to have. He. A new bicycle. A. Has. B. Have. (28) Choose the correct preposition. The dog is. The garden. A. In. B. On. (29) Pick the correct verb tense. I. To the gym every morning. A. Go. B. Goes. (30) Select the correct article. I need. New pair of shoes. A. B. An. (31) Identify the correct pronoun. Are going to the beach. A. We. B. Us. (32) Choose the correct possessive form. Is this. Hen. A. Your. B. Yours. (33) Select the correct verb form. She always. Up early. A. Wakes. B. Wake. (34) Pick the correct form of to be. They. Happy with the results. A. Is. B. Are. (35) Choose the correct preposition. The keys are. The drawer. A. In. B. On.